Today, my brother is going to shoot the nerf gun to this balloon. You see the guns? Okay, ready, set, go. Sniper, first try. And let me see. Okay. And hammer shot. First try. Where's it? Okay, and now sling fire. Wait, sorry guys. Keep it. Now the sling fire. Wait, guys, wait. Go. Come on. One shot, but there's only one bullet. Last, crossfire. One shot. Now, particle ammo. Okay, now it's a level 2.
You had to fail on this.
No, I did it. Oh, it hurt! It hit my balls. Oh, last try. He failed. Next, the sling fire. He's reloading it. Come on. Yeah, he's a beginner. He said he's good, but he said he's beginner. It doesn't make sense, right? Oh, he's picking up the gun. And he's trying to shoot me. Dude, do you see me at the first episode? That was epic. The sling fire is a sniper, dude. He's epic. What the heck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? So wait, guys. I'll come back. No. I'm back, guys. It's my brother's turn. Come on. With you. That was epic. With you. Sorry, guys. It's epic. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. That's cheating. Do your hammer shot. Ow. Where is it? Come on. You can do it. Level complete. And last, the sniper. Wait guys. I'll come back, okay? Now the last sniper. Yeah. June, there's only one ammo, okay? All fail. This episode. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye and subscribe.